Hi, I'm Andy Glass with Glass Impressions. Today we're going to take a look at Milwaukee's brand new M18 random orbit sander. Now this thing is obviously cordless. It runs on Milwaukee's M18 battery platform, so you are free of the cord. You can bring this to the job site or be free around your shop. This unit comes with a canister for the dust, which is a filter style. It's not a bag style, so there is a filter here on the top of this lid. It simply pops off and you can go ahead and dump the cartridge out. They also include a universal vacuum attachment that has both a small and large port for different sized vacuum hoses. And then they also, both style, the canister and the vacuum or universal vacuum attachment, comes with extensions to push them out. Now this unit is variable speed. It has 7,000 to 12,000 oscillations per minute. It has a 5-inch hook and loop pad for standard 8-hole sanding discs, and it also has a 3/32 or just probably 2.5 millimeter oscillating stroke length. On top there's a rubber overmold as well as the side and the fronts to keep you nice and comfortable. Now the ergonomics of this unit are very, very comfortable. It's intended for a right-handed user, as there is a variable speed dial on the left-hand side that goes from 6 all the way down to 1. And that's meant for the user to use their thumb to do it. Well, I'm left-handed and find myself, obviously that dial is on the opposite side, but I don't find myself switching the speed very much in between or while I am sanding, and it's not really a big deal for me as a left-hander to stop sanding, adjust my speed, and then go. I've sanded a ton this morning with this unit, and it seems that I've just left it in 6 or the 12,000 oscillations per minute and let her rip and get my sanding done. I've been sanding on some poplar drawer fronts here. Started out with the 80, went to 120, and then finished it off with 220 on the fronts, and they are ready for paint. And this cordless sander here did an absolute excellent job of sanding, very controllable, and the dust was very minimal. Now if you see this pile to my right, your left, you're going to see it is a significant amount of dust that was removed from these drawer fronts here. This particular pile is only one drawer front that you see in front of me, and simply opened the canister, dumped it out, and I was ready to go. The vacuum portion of the actual sander collected all that dust. You do see some dust around the sander itself. It's not going to catch all of it, so it is recommended that you do sand with a dust mask, but I tell you what, not having a cord attached to the sander or a vacuum is just a really nice freedom to have in the shop or on the job site or wherever you need to go ahead and get your sanding done. This unit comes in at 2.7 pounds without the battery. I have right now a 3 amp hour battery on here. So this thing does have a little bit of weight to it. Obviously that's a little bit heavier battery there. And it does come in at a little bit longer platform with the canister style dust collection rather than a dust bag that maybe is a little bit looser or forgiving in your environment. But I don't find the size of this unit being a hindrance at all. Again, you're cordless, and when you're rocking and rolling, you're ready to go. One thing I do really like about this is the mechanical switch on top. It is just simply push right to turn on, push left to turn off when you're above it facing it. So when you're facing it, it's going to be push left to turn on and push right to turn off. There's not much more else to say about this tool, guys. It is a cordless random orbit sander. If it's something that you're looking for, if you're invested in Milwaukee's battery platform, M18 battery platform, this is something you could bring into your shop and have a nice cordless solution in your shop, on the job site. Let me know what you guys think below. What do you guys think of the Milwaukee M18 cordless sander? I'd love to provide some feedback and answer any questions you may have. Follow me on social media for other woodworking and CNC content updates. Go ahead and smash that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. And also hit that bell so you don't forget a future upload that I do and you get notified right away. I'm Andy Glass with Glass Impressions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.